I think one of the biggest misconceptions people have while learning English is that they think that they need a British accent or an American accent while learning English. And honestly, because of that, many people stop speaking before they even start practicing. They become so conscious about the accent, the pronunciation, and to sound perfect that they even forget the main motive of the communication. But the truth is that fluency and accent are completely two different things. You don't need a fake accent just to have a good English. Communication matters more. A lot of people don't understand that language is not all about communication. Okay, if people are talking to you and they can understand you confidently, clearly, and can communicate with you very well, it means you are already communicating very well. A lot of speakers of the English we see around us are having different accent. Some have British accent, some have American accent, and some have Indian accent. So it doesn't matter like what accent do you have and how much they can speak better than you or what like that. But the thing is that you had to be communicating clearly, confidently, and that what matter. So please don't stop yourself that if I don't have that accent and I cannot be fluent. Okay? Overthinking accent fears. Many English learners become scared when they are practicing because they think, what if my accent is not that attractive or not that good? And what if people are going to judge my pronunciation? And because of all that, you know what? They stop practicing completely. But don't think about it. You know what matters is actually if you are going to be fluent, instead of overthinking more, you will get your own accent. Fluency will give you accent. Overthinking will not give you accent. So it is very much important that you should understand that how you can be more fluent, okay? So keep practicing the fluency and you will get your own natural accent, and that is only the best one. Build your own speaking style. You don't need a fake accent. You don't need to copy somebody else. Okay? You had to be just focusing on that you had to be clear, you had to be fluent, you had to be good vocabulary, confidence. See, when we hear a confident speaker or a confident person, and if we are hearing a person who is having a good accent but with the fear, so what matters more? You know, confidence can make a greater difference even than the accent. So it is very much important that you should be confident with your words, whatever you are saying, and the thing that you can keep in front of the people, that is more important. So if you have been avoiding English just because of you are thinking about of the accent, so don't think about that. You have to be focusing more on your communication skill, focusing more on the vocabulary, and the most important that how you can sound more confidently. Okay, it is very much important that you must be clear with your thought that what you're trying to explain to people, they just understand it in a very concise way. And that is only the art of the communication. Okay, so don't worry about this accent and all, and keep practicing English, and you will get your own natural accent. Thank you.